Welcome, fitness enthusiasts, to today's segment on high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT. Join our Wellness Warrior community at wellnesswarriorshoot.com, where we encourage and inspire one another to be the greatest versions of ourselves. We encourage participation, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and tell us about your own wellness journey. In just 5 minutes, we'll dive into the world of HIIT, exploring what it is, its benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your fitness routine. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is high-intensity interval training? Well, HIIT is a training method that involves alternating between short, intense bursts of exercise and brief recovery periods. The intense intervals push your heart rate up, while the recovery periods allow you to catch your breath before diving back into the next round. This cycle is repeated throughout the workout, making HIIT a time-efficient and highly effective form of exercise. Now, let's talk about the benefits of HIIT. First and foremost, HIIT is fantastic for calorie burning and fat loss. The high-intensity efforts during the workout boost your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories both during and after the session. In fact, studies have shown that HIIT can continue to burn calories for hours post-workout, thanks to the afterburn effect or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. In addition to torching calories, HIIT offers a wide range of benefits. It improves cardiovascular health by challenging your heart and lungs, increasing your endurance, and boosting aerobic capacity. HIIT has also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, promote better glucose regulation, and positively impact metabolic markers such as cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Now, you might be wondering, how can you incorporate HIIT into your fitness routine? Well, the great thing about HIIT is its versatility. It can be customized to suit various fitness levels, goals, and preferences. You can choose from a variety of exercises such as bodyweight movements, cardio activities, strength training exercises, or a combination of them. The key is to find exercises that challenge you and elevate your heart rate during the intense intervals. When starting HIIT, it's important to warm up properly to prepare your body for the intensity ahead. Begin with light cardio exercises like jogging or jumping jacks, and include dynamic stretches to loosen up your muscles. Once you're warmed up, you can move on to the intense intervals. During the workout, remember to focus on proper form and technique. Maintaining good posture and executing the exercises correctly ensures maximum effectiveness and reduces the risk of injury. And don't forget to listen to your body. If you feel any pain or excessive fatigue, it's important to dial back the intensity or take a break. As you progress in your HIIT journey, gradually increase the intensity and duration of your intervals. This progressive overload keeps your body challenged and prevents plateaus. However, always prioritize safety and avoid pushing beyond what feels comfortable for you. Lastly, remember to cool down properly after your HIIT session. Include light aerobic exercises and static stretches to bring your heart rate down gradually and promote muscle recovery. And there you have it, a crash course on high-intensity interval training. HIIT is an incredible way to maximize your workout time, burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and achieve your fitness goals. So, why not give it a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself? That's all we have for today's segment. Remember to consult with a fitness professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more exciting fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, keep pushing, stay active, and embrace the power of heat.